mathematicians, Miss Moody here. I'm here to talk to you today about cups and counters. What are cups and counters? Well, cups are just that, cups. And counters are things we can use to count with. We're going to be using these popsicle sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what do we use them for? Well, we're actually going to be using them to help us solve algebra problems. How do we do that? Our cups are going to represent our variable x. An up cup is going to represent a positive x, and a down cup is going to represent a negative x. Our counters are going to represent our numbers. So a positive counter is +1. Two positive counters would be +2. Negative counters are on the other side with a negative sign. So this would be -1. These together would be -2. What happens if we have a +1 and a -1 together? They cancel each other out because +1 - 1 = 0. Cancel each other out and they go away. Same thing with cups. We have an up cup, which represents a positive x, and a down cup representing a negative x. They're going to cancel each other out. X minus x = 0. They cancel each other out and they go away. But just to back up a little bit, let's see what something like 3x + 5 would look like. We'd have 3 cups. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counters. 3x + 5. If we had -3x - 5, we'd just flip these over. 3 down cups, -3x, and we'd use the negative sign, negative side of our counters to represent -5. One really important thing you'll need to do before we use these in class tomorrow is come up with a set of symbols to represent your cups and counters. Here I'm using kind of a simple drawing of a cup, a facing up cup with a positive sign inside to represent my positive x. And then I'm using an upside down cup with a negative sign to represent -x. For my counters, one counter will be represented with a positive stick, and a negative will be a negative stick. So you can see, like from our example, 3x + 5 would be represented by drawing of 3 cups and 5 counters. So come up with your own way to draw your cups and counters, and we'll try solving some problems tomorrow. Thanks, bye.